Hey there, today I'll show you how to fix payment issue on Uber Eats. Just follow these steps and you may come over with it. So let's start it. First, ensure the payment method you have added to your Uber Eats account is valid, up to date and has sufficient funds available. If your payment details have changed recently, update them in the Uber Eats app. Go to the payment or wallet section of the app to add or edit your payment method. Confirm that the billing address associated with your payment method matches the address registered with your bank or card issuer. If your payment method is being declined, contact your bank or card issuer to understand why their transaction is not going through. They may need to approve the transaction or resolve any issues with your account. If one payment method isn't working, try using a different one. Uber Eats accepts various payment options including credit, debit cards, PayPal, and Uber Cash. Clearing the cache and data of the Uber Eats app can sometimes resolve payment-related glitches. Go to your device's settings, find the Uber Eats app, and clear its cache and data. Ensure you have the latest version of the Uber Eats app installed on your device. Update often includes bug fixes and improvements that may address payment issues. If you have tried the above steps are still experiencing payment problems, reach out to Uber Eats customer support. They can provide further assistance and troubleshoot the issue specific to your account. If you are experiencing payment issues on the app, try placing the order through a different device or web browser. This can help determine if the problem is device specific. And that's it. That's how you can fix payment issue on Uber Eats.